Hello student. Before it, I have given you introductions and brief introductions related to the political party chapter. In that video, we have studied about what we are going to study in this chapter. So now we are going to start the first topic of this chapter. Why do we need political parties? And here we are going to start political parties. Means what do you mean by the political parties? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Its main motive of the political party is to contest elections and hold power in the government. It's a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. Collective good means why they fight the elections, why they hold power, because they are agree on some policies and program for the society, for the betterment of the society. And a political party has three components. This is important, my dear. Every political party has three components. One, the leaders, means the top class leader, means Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Amit Shah, Mayawati, Mamta Banerjee. These are the leaders, means those who run the whole party. Other, the active members, means those who are very active. In your village, maybe some people are very active, means related to the one political party, and always speak about that political party, and always ready to do every work for that political party. They are called active members. They are not big leaders, but they are active. They are very active related to the political parties. And then last is the followers. Like we, my dear, we are the followers. Means we like ideology of the one of the political parties. Maybe in your family, some people discuss about one of the political party, but they are not very active. They are only the followers. So these are the three component of political party: the leader, the active member, the follower. Another very important, my dear, this is very important on the means examinations point of view, because many times these questions ask means what are the functions of the political party. So basically, political parties fill political office and exercise the political powers. I have already told you, my dear, the main motive of the political party is to gain power in the government and contest elections. Parties contest elections. The first main function of political party. Parties contest elections, my dear. Means in every country there is a different way to contest elections. It is different in India and it is different in the USA. I am going to give you example of nearby, my dear. If means we are belong to the near, means many of the students belong to Nadan and many of the students belong to the geology constituency. So if I am going to discuss about the Congress political party and BJP, means the leader, means who is going to contest election in Jwalamukhi and in Nadan constituency, it is decided by the High Command. High Command means those who are the top class leader of BJP and Congress. Means people are not going to decide who is going to be contest election in Jwalamukhi from Nadan. This is going to be decided by the High Command. High Command give ticket to any member. That member become the means members of that political party. Means if BJP government give the ticket to High Command, give ticket to the Ramesh Dhawala, then Ramesh Dhawala is the candidate of a BJP, and if high command give Congress high command give ticket to Sanjay Ratan, then Sanjay Ratan is going to contest the election from the Jwalamukhi. Same from the Nadon also, matter. But in USA, if we discuss about the USA, then USA high command not decided who is going to contest the election. Means the people of that political party decided who is going to be become the member of means who is going to give who is going to contest elections from the that area. Okay, means suppose we are in the USA and geology and Nadon is in USA. Then in USA means there are many members from the there are you all know that in the USA there are two political parties, Democratic and Republic. Okay, like the BJP and Congress here means suppose there are three members from the Nadon constituency belong to the Republic and they wanted to for the elections. From other sides, maybe 3 or 4 persons from the Republic they wanted to for the elections. Now, how High Command is not going to decide who is going to contest the elections. Means people of that political party. Means there are many people, those who belong to the Republic political parties, they means cast the vote for one particular persons. If there are four, and if anyone get more votes from that locality, then that person is going to contest the elections. It means people select means who is going to contest the election from a particular political parties. But in India, this has not happened. In India, means high command decided who is going to contest the election. This is called party ticket. I think this is clear. Party put forward the different policies and programs and the voters choose from them. Yes, my dear, this is another function of the political parties, means policies and programs, and after that it is spread to the voters, and after that voter decides whose policies and programs are better. Parties play a decisive role in the making the law for a country. We all know that parliament make the law, and mainly those who are the executive, means those who are in the power, they make the law. But party train them to make the law, my dear. Parties forms and run government. Yes, my dear. Those parties come to the majority that forms and run the government. Those parties that lose in elections play the role of oppositions to the parties in power by voicing the different views and criticizing government for its failures or wrong policies. This is another matter. Means one party that came into the largest party, they form the government. But the second largest party means though not able to form the government, that play the role of oppositions party, and oppositions party always criticize the government for its failures and wrong policies. In India in these days, means there is a one drawback, but means there is no strong oppositions. According to me, if we have to be criticize the government policy, then strong opposition should be there. Party shape public opinion, means party gather the opinions from the peoples and give them one shape. Party provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by government. Yes, my dear, it is very difficult to reach the government, but due to the party, it is easy to assess the government, my dear, because in your village there are some active members, those who are ready to work, always ready to work. Yes or not? It is very difficult to means assess to the top class leader, but due to these active members, it is easy to assess to the government, my dear. So these are the some point which give us the functions of the political party. This is important, my dear. So for today, it is enough. Thank you, my dear.